Welcome to our exciting video. In this video, we are going to cover 200 plus colorful exploration of nail arts, the historical evolution of nail color. In these sections, you will take your audience on a journey through time, exploring the origins and nail adornment and how nail color has evolved across various cultures and eras. You will delve into the symbolisms and cultural significance attached to different nail colors throughout history. The emotional quality of nail colors. This part will dive into the emotional impact of different nail colors. You will explore how various colors can evoke different feelings and moods, discussing the physiological aspects of nail color choice, personal stories, and any chords that help connect these emotions to real experience. Exploring the rich spectrum of nail colors. Here you will introduce your audience to the basics of color theory. You will cover primary, secondary, and tertiary colors and how they manifest in nail art. Exploring complementary and analogous colors combinations will highlight the aesthetics of nail designs, focusing on how to achieve balance and contrast. Tracing nail colors trend across eras. In the sections, you will take historical approaches, examining how nail color trends have evolved throughout different decades. You will identify iconic nail colors that characteristics each era and discuss the influence of fashions and culture on these trends. Picking the right nail colors. This part will guide viewers on how to choose a perfect nail colors for different occasions and settings. You will delve into considerations like skin tone, context, and personal preference, providing practical tips of making nail color choice. Mastering the quality techniques of nail color application. These sections will focus on various techniques of applying nail color for simple monochromes to intricate designs. You will cover popular methods like umber, gradient, marble, and geometric styles. Viewers can expert to learn about the tools and tips needs for successful nail color applications. Nail colors as a canvas of self expressions. Here you will explore how nail colors can be used as a means of personal expressions. You will discuss how nail colors can reflect individual styles and share stories that highlight the significance of nail art in storytelling and conveying emotions. Celebrities and pop cultures shaping nail colors trends. These sections will look at the impact of celebrities and pop cultures on nail color trends. You will discuss how famous personalities influence nail color choice and explore instances of nail colors in movies and music and other forms of media. The alchemy of nail colors formulations from pigment to polish. In this part, you will dive into the science behind nail color productions. You will explain how pigments and additives are used to create a diverse range of nail colors options. You will discuss in innovations in nail color technologies, a global mosaics of nail color preferences. Here you will take a cross culture perspective, examining how nail color preferences vary around the world. You will explore traditional nail adornment practices from different cultures and discuss how global influences shape modern nail color choices. Nails that speak nail colors for cause and impact. These sections will highlight the role of nail colors on raising awareness and supporting important causes. You will showcase campaigns that use nail colors to champion social and health issues, emphasizes the impact of nail art in speaking positive changes. Nourishing, healthy, and stunning nails. The final section will focus on nail care. You will provide tips and routines for maintaining healthy and beautiful nails, including how to prevent common issues related to nail colors applications. You will also cover safe method for removing and changing all nail colors without causing damages. Before starting nail art, ensure clean nails by using polish remover, shape and trim nails as desired. Then apply a clean layer base coat. This smooth surface protect against staining. Apply chosen polish colors, letting each layer dry before adding the next. Creating nail art. Use tools like brushes, toothpicks, or dotting tools to create patterns. Dots, lines, and shapes can be achieved with patience and creativity. Additional details such as glitters, gems, and stickers can be added using a clear polish or a nail glue. Apply a clear top coat to protect the designs. Additional details such as glitters, gems, and stickers can be added using clear polish or nail glue. Apply a clear top coat to protect the designs and provide a glossy finish. Final touches and enjoyment. Clean up any excess polish around the nails using remover and a small brush. Moisturizes nails and surrounding skins with oil or lotions for a polished look. Admire the finished nail art, proudly showcasing your creations. Practices improve skills, so embrace imperfections and enjoy the process of mastering nail art. Get your nails ready. Start by making sure your nails are clean and do not have any old polish on them. Use nail polish remover to clean them and remove any leftover oils. Shape and trim. Fill your nails into the shape you want. It could be square, round, or any other style you like. If your nails are too long, you can cut them a bit. Apply base coat. Put on a clear base coat on your nails. This makes a smooth surface for the nail polish to stick to and protect your natural nails for getting stained. Put on the base color. Choose the color you want and put it on your nails evenly. Start with a thin layer, let it dry, and then put on another layer to make the color look better. Designs your nails. Now comes the fun part. You can use things like thin brushes, dotting tools, or even toothpicks to create your nails art. You can make dots, lines, shapes, or more complicated patterns. Take your time and be creative. And more details if you want. If you can add things like glitters, small gems, or stickers. Use clear nail polish or nail glue to stick the things on your nails. Put on a clear top coat when your nail art is dry. Add a clear top coat. This protects your designs, gives it a shiny look, and help it last longer. So clean up. If you accidentally got polish on your skin around your nails, you can clean it up with a small brush dipped in nail polish remover. Moisturizes your nails. Put some oil or lotions on your nails and the skins around them to keep them soft. This also makes your nail art look better. Enjoy your nail art. Taking a moment to look at your finished nail art. Be proud of your work and show it off to others. Remember, getting good at nail art takes some time. To don't worry if not perfect. Here you will explore how nail colors can be used as a means of personal expression. You will discuss how nail colors can reflect individual styles and share stories that highlight the significance of nail art in strolling and conveying emotions. So these sections will look at the impact celebrities and pop cultures and nail colors trends. You will discuss how famous personalities influence nail colors choices and explore the instance of nail colors in movies, music, and other forms of media. In this perfect, you will delve into the science behind nail art productions. You will explain how pigments and additives are used to create a diverse range of nail color options, and you will discuss emotions in nail color technologies. Here you will take a cross-cultural perspectives examining how nail color preferences vary around the world. You will explore traditional nail adornment practices from different cultures and discuss how global influences shapes modern nail color choices. These sections will highlight the role of nail colors in raising awareness and supporting important causes. You will showcase campaigns and that will nail colors to champion socials and